Hey everybody, welcome to Scotchman Industries. We're back here in the saw department today. Today we're going to go over your filter regulator, which is a crucial part of your saw system. The filter regulator obviously regulates the air pressure, but it's also got a lubricator bowl, which puts a drop of airline lubricant every 5 to 7 cycles of the saw through the airline system. And the reason for this is we want to keep your valves lubricated and your cylinder lubricated. The best air dryer in the world will not take out 100% of the moisture. So by having this lubricator in there, it keeps everything working properly. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to change that bowl or to add oil to the bowl. The first thing you want to do is release your air pressure. Take your airline hose off of your saw. It's got a push tab on the bottom of the bowl. You push it a quarter turn. The bowl drops out. Fill it with oil. Reinsert the bowl. Turn it till it clicks. And that's how you add oil to your lubricator bowl. If you have any questions on it, just give us a call here at Scotchman's or check us out on the website. But that's your Tech Talk Tuesday tip of the day.